Okay, this is your Western Pennsylvania 48-hour update. We'd start by looking at tonight around 10 o'clock, and you can see there's some light snow out over Ohio. A couple flurries dropping down off the lakes here. Snow will pick up overnight. This gets you to around 2 o'clock in the morning, and you can see that there's a little bit more snow to show up. Nothing heavy, unless you're up here on the lake here, but nothing to write home about. As we get to around 7 in the morning, when people are headed to work, you can see that the snow is dropped down. It is a little bit heavier up here towards Erie and heading that way, and this is dropping down during the late overnight. And then you can see it start to move off around 9. Here's 10 o'clock. Here's 11. Here's 12. 1, 2, 3 in the afternoon. Here's 4 in the afternoon, and it's still snowing in places, but it's fairly light, except east of Bradford. Up here, it's a little bit of moderate snow mixed in, and then the Arctic front will drop down. This is around 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday night into Saturday, and then you'll get it off the lakes, and you can see there are some streamers around 8 o'clock in the morning coming off the lakes here, as you can see them. And they'll be dropping down. Most of the action is off to the east. And then as we go into the day on late in the day on Saturday, you can see there's a streamer here where this actually sets up. You know the snow out here off the lakes. It could be. It depends on the angle of the wind and things like that. But you can see it shows a fairly strong amount of snow that could come down here and maybe hit Pittsburgh with some flurries. So you might get your dusting to an inch or so. Temperatures during this period of time are going to be pretty chilly. This is, let's see, let's back this up to, let's see, this is Friday morning around 7, 8 a.m. You can see temperatures here where the clouds are coming. It's around freezing, 20s in the mountainous north central PA. And then as we get during the day tomorrow, temperatures get a little bit above freezing, but it's still snow. It's cold enough aloft. And then the cold air comes flying in. This is overnight Friday night into Saturday. And you can see as we get to around 7 a.m. on Saturday, temperatures have really dropped. Everybody's below freezing. Everybody's in the 20s. And then as we go during the daylight hours tomorrow, here's 10 o'clock, and here's Bradford at 19 already. And they don't really get much warmer than that. This is around 3 in the afternoon. Everybody's struggling and staying in the 20s. And as we go over in the overnight hours into Sunday morning, you can see we starting to get some temperatures up here. Single digits are not out of the equation. And this gets you to around 2 o'clock in the morning, Saturday night into Sunday, a little bit further than 48 hours. But what I'm trying to show you is temperatures teens to 20s across here as you go into Sunday night hours. Okay, how much snow? I know most people want to white Christmas. There's your snow. Again, these are streamers off the lakes. There's no way knowing exactly where that lines up. But as you can see, everybody gets an inch to 2, maybe 3 in some areas, and a couple of high spots in a couple areas by the lakes here with the squalls can get a little bit more. Basically, if you're in Pittsburgh, it's a dusting to maybe an inch or so. But there's another chance, but we won't get into that until Sunday. But there's another chance on Christmas Eve. All right, that's your update. Take it easy.